Welcome back to another One Monroe Minute. Today we are going to be looking at aerospace fasteners and what makes them special. Aerospace fasteners are designed with a high strength-to-weight ratio, making them ideal for aviation and space applications. This is achieved using advanced materials like titanium and high-grade alloys, which are both lightweight and incredibly strong. This balance is critical for reducing overall aircraft weight while maintaining structural integrity. These fasteners are built to withstand extreme conditions, such as high temperatures, pressure, and vibration, ensuring durability in demanding environments. Precision manufacturing guarantees tight tolerances, reducing the risk of failure and enhancing safety. Aerospace fasteners meet strict industry standards, such as NASA and mil-spec requirements, ensuring high-quality performance. With their specialized materials and features, they're extremely reliable for high-stake applications. To learn more about aerospace fasteners, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time with another One Monroe Minute.